Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious peanut brittle with brown sugar. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water. Don't forget 1 1/2 cups of raw peanuts and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Also, make sure to prepare a large baking sheet by greasing it well. This step is crucial for easy removal later. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed 2-quart saucepan, combine your brown sugar, corn syrup, and water. Place it over medium heat and stir constantly until all the sugar crystals have dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and let the mixture cook. Keep a close eye on your candy thermometer until it reaches exactly 285 degrees Fahrenheit. This next step happens quickly, so be ready. Once your sugar mixture hits 285 degrees Fahrenheit, stir in the raw peanuts. Keep stirring constantly as the mixture continues to cook. Watch your thermometer closely until it reaches precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Immediately remove the pan from the heat and quickly stir in the 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda until it's fully combined. Time to spread our delicious brittle. As soon as the baking soda is mixed in, immediately pour the hot mixture onto your greased baking sheet. Work quickly to spread it as thinly and evenly as possible using a greased spatula or the back of a spoon. Now comes the hardest part: patience. Let the brittle cool completely for at least 30 minutes before breaking it into delicious, bite-sized pieces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.